fire insurance also we saw, right? Depreciation means a certain uh, value that you decrease because of usage, like we saw in the case of market value, isn't it? How do you, so today what this vehicle will fetch in the market, right? It becomes the market value. Like in fire insurance, we saw market value of the building. Similarly, market value of the vehicle. Now, definitely, if you have a 5-year-old vehicle, it is going to have a certain value less than a new vehicle, and this is because of depreciation. So, if you're looking at the total vehicle, there are depreciation slabs that are mentioned in the policy. So, every motor policy, when you fix the sum insured, it is not called sum insured. In motor, it's called insured declared value, IDV. In fire, we saw it was sum insured. We saw the basis of sum insured also. In motor, it is called insured declared value. It is up to the insured. Even in fire, they only choose the value. It is up to the insured to choose the IDV, but it is a certain structured manner in motor insurance. So IDV, though the insured chooses, there is a certain framework, there is a certain clear formula to arrive at IDV in motor based on the age of the vehicle. So you know what is ex-showroom price. The new vehicle, if you want to buy a new vehicle, ex-showroom is nothing but the price at which you will buy the vehicle in the showroom. Ex-showroom price. और नया गाड़ी का price है. Now on that you need to apply a certain slab of depreciation to arrive at the IDV. If it's a new vehicle also. The beauty is, let's say you are buying a car today, and if the car steps out of the showroom, 5% deducted. So any new vehicle, brand new also, you don't give cover for 100%. You will depreciate the value by 5%. You will give only for 95% in the first year. And second year ke liye 85, third year ke liye 75, like this. There is a predefined slab. I'm talking about the sum insured slab, depreciation slab. Now here, this particular cover, which we're talking about zero depreciation, is when there is a claim. Because the sum insured is also depreciated, claim also will be depreciated. Why? If there is a repair, or if you know something, the door is completely damaged, you have to change the door. You'll have to fix a new door. Obviously, you know that if you take a Honda City car to a Honda showroom, they will have all the parts which are very new. They have to put the new part. समझो कि door एकदम damage हो गया, it cannot be dented, it cannot be painted, you have to change the entire door. Now it's a new part. Now, principle of indemnity, you have to put him in the same financial position, so you will charge something called depreciation in the case of partial claims or part loss claims. So how do you do that? You do that again based on the age of the vehicle. So let's say the left door costs 22,000 rupees. Entire door, you're getting a new door because you cannot repair the old door which is totally damaged. Totally, मतलब, impact हो गया. तो आपने नया लगा दिया, 22,000 rupees is the new door cost. Indemnity, let's say it's a 3-year-old vehicle, you will deduct some percentage based on the slab. So in a policy, I want you to understand there is a depreciation slab for IDV, there is a depreciation slab for claims. Don't get mixed with these two. There are two different depreciation slabs, right? Like IDV, I already told you, there is a fixed guideline to arrive at the IDV or the sum insured or the value of the vehicle, right? But here in this new cover, the zero depreciation, I am talking about the claim depreciation. I'm bringing IDV here so that you're able to distinguish both. Right? So here when you talk about depreciation, like I said, if it is a new part that is being replaced because of loss or damage, there will be depreciation that has to be deducted from the claim, so that the principle of indemnity is achieved. The insured does not make a profit out of a loss. But today in the market, there are many companies who are giving the zero depreciation cover. It is chargeable, it is not inbuilt. People charge additional premium for this, but generally up to 3 years, at least in new vehicles, lot of people prefer to take this addition.